Okay, yeah. So whenever Amira's microphone starts working, then start. Okay, Aman, are you there, Aman?
So can you, so what?
Yeah, yeah. So whenever Amira's microphone starts working, then we'll start, right? Because then we'll have to see.
Okay.
Our microphone is still not working. Let's wait for that and then we'll start. It's already 50 minutes. Where are the rest of
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Yes, walaikum salam, walaikum salam. Yes,
How are you, sir?
I'm good, Alhamdulillah. What about you? How are you?
Alhamdulillah, sir.
MashaAllah. Okay, so yeah, you have told me about the questions, right? What were the chapters that you were telling me?
From the starting, real number polynomials, a pair of linear, quadratic, and triangles.
One, two, three, four, five, right? Not AP.
No, sir.
Yeah. Let us study about these things and then after. Or let me, yeah, because that only you and Amar are here, right? We will talk about this. And whenever somebody joins, right, then consider this one is also important example. Find this one, this one, okay, and then using the private. Okay, yeah. So th- Shaima has joined. So, Assalamu alaikum, Shaima. So I will tell you about these right after the class. Okay, Mira.
Okay, sir.
Let us start this thing and then. Okay, so the first part we have done already, right, guys? This first theorem part we have done.
Yes, sir.
All these equations we have done. Now let us move on to the second theorem, right? And we have to remember everything what we have studied in the second theorem. So what we have studied? We have studied that these are the things that we have studied. That tangents are equal from outside the point of the circle, right? We have also studied that the angle subtended by these tangents on the point outside, this is supplementary to the angle subtended at the center. These things we have already studied, and we have also studied that these angles are divided equal. When we join this point outside the circle and the center, so these angles are divided equal, right? So this OP is the angle bisector. So these are the things that we have studied in this second. So remembering that those things, let us yeah. So now let us solve the first question and then yeah, second question and third question. You guys will do. Right? I will do the simple one. You guys will do the difficult ones. So what is the first question? If the angle between two tangents drawn from an external point B to a circle of radius A and center O is 60 degrees, right? So this is, let's say, this is the external point And they are saying that is the angle between two tangents, right? So this is 60 degrees. And they are telling us this is A, this is A, this is O, this is B. Then we have to find out OP. So this is 30, right? And then this is 90, and then this is 60, right? Okay, so find the length of OP. So how can we find the length of the OP? You guys tell. How can? Because remember, what are the things which are given? We have to find out OP, right? OP, we have to find out these are angles because this total is 60, so this would be 30, this would be 60, this would be 90. And this length is 8. So can you guys, Shaima, Amira, and Aman, this is not related to circle, but this thing is related to which chapter? If you guys can identify that, then this answer will be very clear. Because this is a very difficult question. The first question, and if we don't figure out the concept of this question, then it would be very difficult to solve. So, what are the given things in this question? Yes, if I tell you the answer, then it would be very easy, right? But we have to figure out because yeah, while I was
You
reading,
have to use applications of trigonometry.
absolutely right. Yes, so we have to use trigonometric relations, right? Because by any other means we cannot solve this problem, right? Using Pythagoras theorem, using any other means we cannot solve this, right? Only by using the trigonometric relations. Good. So let's say if we choose this angle, 30 degree. So for this 30 degree, right? What is this thing? A is what for 30 degree? Yes, A is what for 30 degree? I am asking that is it perpendicular, is it base, or is it hypotenuse? What is that? So 30 degree, if I pick this 30 degree angle, so this would be the perpendicular, right? And opposite to 90 degree is always the hypotenuse, right? So what relates perpendicular and hypotenuse, Amar? What relates perpendicular and hypotenuse? Which trigonometric function relates that? Yes. What relates perpendicular and hypotenuse?
Can
Tan relates perpendicular and base. Sine theta relates perpendicular and hypotenuse, right? So sine 30, that would be perpendicular, which is A, hypotenuse, which is X. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, right? A by X. So this would be X would be, this was a very nice question, right? First question, it was a nice question. You guys please note it down. And then we'll do the second and third questions. Please. Yeah, whenever you guys have noted, please tell. Yes, whenever you guys have noted, please tell. Third question, you guys, right? Second question, third question is the pretty much related to the second question. That is why I will do the second question and then you guys. Yes, noted, guys.
Yes, sir, noted.
What about you, Shaima and Amar?
Yeah.
No.
I will do the 3 months. You guys will do it up. Second question. What is that? From an external point P, right? We draw two tangents and P and PP. Center is two. So PAB. Oh, PAB. PAB. That is how much? That is 50 degrees. Then find AOB. Yeah, so this is related to this question, right? So if PAB, this is 50 degree, right? What would be this angle? What would be this angle, guys?
40.
40. Absolutely correct. Good. So this is 40. And this is 40. So this would be how much? You guys just think that what kind of triangle is then your answer. Yes, what is ABO? What is OA and OB? What are those? Yes, OA is the radius, this is the radius. So this is equal, this is equal. This is an isosceles triangle, right? So if this is 40, this is also 40. So if these two are 40, so this would be 100, right. So you guys please, yeah. So please write down this one, right? I didn't write any, so I didn't write any logic. Just let me write that because OAP, this is 90 degree. So, so then angle OAB plus angle PAB, that is 90 degrees. So this is 50. So this would be angle OAB 40 as omega C. And then triangle OAB is isosceles. So then this angle OAB, that will be equal to angle AB 40 40. Hence angle AOB would be 180 minus 40 plus 40, which is, you guys quickly note it down and please tell me if you guys have it. And if you guys have any doubts, so please tell. Yes, whenever you guys have noted, please tell.
Noted, sir.
everyone noted? Okay, so you guys please do this third question. Right, please do this third question and tell me what is angle OA. So what is OA? So you have two methods to solve this problem. There are two methods. Guys, please one of those, use one of those methods and tell me what is the answer that you guys have given. 'Yes. What is the answer that you guys are getting?
$25.
25. So Amira is getting 25. What about you guys, Shaima and Amar? What about you guys? Yes, Amar and Shaima. What are you guys getting? Oh, who got disconnected? Shaima got disconnected. Amar, what about you? Did
No, sir. Yeah.
good. Okay, so yeah, you didn't understand the question. Yes, Shaima, what are you getting? I guess Shaima has some problem with the mic. Right? Okay, so let us discuss this question. Right? Good, good. Amira. So we have this thing, right? So if you look at this PA and PB, what can we tell about PA and PB? What can we tell about them? So PA that is equal to PB. Correct? Is it correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
That is the theorem, right? So PAB, we can write that PAB is an isosceles triangle. Can we write that? Which means that this angle and this angle, that would be equal, right? So x plus 50. So 2x plus 50, that is 180. So 2x is 130. So x is how much? 130 by 2. This is 6 by 65. Good. So we have this angle 65 degree. What about this whole angle? This whole angle is 90. So let's say this y would be how much? Angle y would be 90 minus 65. This would be how much? 25. So that was the question, right? Is it clear, everyone? Amar, is it clear? Yes, is it clear, Amar?
Yes.
Okay, now the other method. Let us say that we don't use this, right? Let us say that we don't use this method. So what we can do in this question, that we have this circle, right? This tangent is a tangent, so tangent, right? And this one, then this one, and this is given to be. So let us do a simple construction, right? Let us do a simple construction. Let us join them. So if this is 50, what would be this angle? Yeah, this thing we have studied. What would be this?
25.
Yes,
25.
130, right? 130, 130. Yes. So because this angle and this angle, they are sublimate. This is 130, right? So this is 130 and these two are isosceles triangle angle. So this is x, this is x. So x plus x plus 130, that is 180. So 2x is 50. So x is 25. Whatever method we choose, we will get the answer, right? So which method we have chosen, Amira? This one or this one? Which one?
So I have chosen the first one, but like the half I have chosen, like in the, I have used half of that, the first one, and then I used that uh, angles on a straight line. So
Oh, so you have
90 plus 65
this one you have.
plus x is equals to
Yeah,
180 degrees.
this one you have. Good. Yeah. So yeah, you guys please note it down and then we'll do the next question. Quickly note it down, guys. Amar, quickly note it down and then we'll. Yeah, in whatever manner we want to solve this question, that is totally dependent upon us. But we have to just understand the question. Yeah, whenever you guys have noted the. Yeah, not whenever you guys have. Noted, everyone. Done, guys.
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay, so yes, Amar, noted.
Yes.
what is the next question? So we have two concentric circles of radii A and B, and A is greater than B. So find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle, right? So what I will ask you guys is let me. So we have a concentric circle. Okay, so we have a concentric circle, and it's right. So let's say we have the larger, right? So the larger one has radius what? What is the radius of the larger one circle? What is that?
A.
Yes, guys, what is the radius of the larger one?
A.
A,
A.
right? A. Good. Both of you guys are correct. And the smaller one is. And now they are saying that the length of the chord, right? So find the length of the chord of the larger circle. So in the larger circle, we have a chord which is the tangent for the smaller circle. So let's say we have this chord, right? So this is the chord for the larger circle, and this is the tangent for the smaller circle. So we know that this is how much? This is B, right? And how much is this thing? How much is this
A.
thing? A, right? So this is A. Good. Now what they are asking, find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches. So we have to find out this AB, right? Let's say this is M. So we can find out AM, AB would be 2 of AM, right? Twice of AM. So let me quickly do that. And then the fifth one you guys, right? Fifth one is repeat. So AM would be how much? AM would be, this is 90, so this is hypotenuse, right? So hypotenuse square minus b square, right? Because let's say am square plus b square, that would be hypotenuse square. So am square would be a square minus b square. So am would be root of a square minus b. This is am. So ab would be twice of am. So a square minus b square. This is our answer. Clear, guys? Quickly note it down and then fifth one quickly note it down.
Done, sir.
Then, okay, so let us Okay, so fifth question. Right, you guys, please solve this part. I will only give the hint. So in the given figure QR is the common tangent to the given circle, touching externally at the point uh, wait, wait, in the given figure QR is the common tangent, touching externally at the point, right? So this point is not being internally touched, but externally touched. Now, at the tangent meets QR at P. If PT is 3.8 centimeters, right? If PT is 3.8 centimeter, then we have to find out Q. So you guys tell me what is if
7.6,
oh
option D.
7.6.
7.6. So both of you guys quickly calculated. Yes, Amar. What about it? What do you think? 7.6. Shayama and Amina, they are saying 7.6.
So I'm not sure, but I'll just go with 7.6.
Okay. So you go with the majority view. Okay. So let us understand. Right. What about so let's say this P point, this P. So PT is a tangent from this P point on this so PT would be equal to PR. Correct. Correct. Right. And similarly, this PT would also be equal to this QP. So PT is also equal to Q. So that is QP plus PR. And QP is PT. This is PT. So this is 2PT. So this is 2.8, which Shaima and right. So yeah, this is how right. Is it clear to you, Aman? Now are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So okay, so just I take quickly note it down, and then what is the question that now let us go to the difficult questions, right? The given figure, where is the given? That one. Yes, noted, guys. Noted.
Yes.
Yes, now let us move on to the next. Right, we'll skip some question and yeah. Oh, this one. Good. So we've got this question. So what they have given, uh, AB equals to X, BC equals to 7, DR equals to 3, AB equal to, why these are on two different pages, right? Okay, AP is equals to X. This is X and what else? Yeah, B7. BC is 7 and is 5. AS is 5. Okay. Then what do we have? So then we have to figure out this x, right? We have to figure out this x. So what would be this x,
Sir,
right?
X is 9.
This is 5, but this x is 9. Okay, Shaima
Yes, sir.
already got the answer. Shaima already got the answer. And to do this question, you guys have to remember the result from NCRT book, right? Right, Shaima, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have to remember this result that AB plus CD, that would be equal to BC plus CD. This is the result that we get in the NCRT text, right? If we remember this, then this question.
Sir, we can do it without that also.
Without that also, okay, yeah. So let's say that this is 3. So this is 3, right? So then this is, oh, so from here also, yeah. So, okay, so forget about, yeah, forget whatever I see. We can do this question the other way as Shaima has done. So you guys please tell me, just look at this question part by part and tell me what would be A, right? So you guys please figure it out. The only thing that we have to remember the tangents. Yes, Amira and Amar, you guys get the answer, Amira and Amar. Let me give you one hint. So that is not a hint, but AB is AP plus B. This is this is. So you guys have to figure out what is AP. What
X
is
is equals to 11.
11? So 11. Amira is getting.
It's not an option.
It's not an option. So yes, Amira, you see 10, 9, 8, 7. These are the options. What would be this? Yeah, you have done some calculation. Okay. So can you guys tell me? AS is 5. So what would be
5.
5.
AP? AP you have got 5. So only thing that you have to figure it out is P. CR is 3. So what would be this thing? CQ. Yes. CR is 3. So CQ is how much? You have such told that this is 5. So this is 5. So CR is 3. So what would be this thing? CQ. CQ would be how much? Yes, guys. Amira and Amar. CR is 3. So what is CQ? That is
3.
also 3, right? That is external point and then two tangents. So 3, 3. Okay, total is 7. This is 3, so this would be 4. So VQ is 4, so what would be P? So AB would be 5 plus 4, which is 9. So Shaima is correct. Yes, did you guys understand this part?
Yes, sir. I took 4
Good.
as 5. So
Yeah,
we
yeah.
got
So, yeah, some calculation mistake. Yes. Okay, yes, quickly note it down and then we'll move on to the next step. Yeah, whenever you guys have done, guys.
None, sir.
Ninth question we have done already, right? This ninth question is similar to this fourth question. So fourth question similar to ninth one. So we can skip this part. Now the tenth question. Tenth question, you guys do this. Do this problem and tell me what is the length of PA we have to find out. So what is PA?
Sir, the tangent length is 4 centimeter.
4 centimeters. So Shayama has got 4 centimeters. So what about guys, Samira and Amar? What you don't have to solve, just figure it out. What, yes, Samira and Amar, do you guys understand this question?
So 4 centimeter.
4 centimeters. Yes, Amar, what about you?
4.
So again, going by the majority, or do you have
No,
any?
so I checked it this time.
Yeah, so it's done. Okay, so yeah, let us see this. This would be what? So this is 90, so this is also 90. This is 90, 90, 90, 90. So this may be a rectangle or maybe a square. But you see that these adjacent sides are equal, PA and PB, right? So then this would be a square. So we know that this is 4, so this would be 4. That is our right? Okay, so yeah, but if, let us get this part right, and now let us suppose this question, everybody is favorite. So in the given figure, touch a circle with PA. PA is 4. Yeah, this one is 3. This is 3. AC is 11. Okay, same question. So then you have to find out
Sir, BC is 10.
BC is 10. So Shaima has got 10. What about you? What about like any same? What part of the get BC? What are the other things? Yes, and Okay, now tell me what is BQ? What is BQ? Yes, guys,
Sir,
what
BC
is
is tangent.
BC is 10. So, okay, and Amira has also got 10. Now, Amar, bring back the majority or,
1 second.
yeah, please think about it, right? Okay, so let us do this together up, right? You tell me, and then we'll do it that. So, what is BQ? Can you tell me what is BQ?
3.
BQ is 3, right, Amar? BQ is 3, right, Amar? Right? Then you have
Yes, sir.
now you have to figure out this, right? Then you will get B. So let us come at this part, right? So this is 4. So what would be A R?
4.
4. Now total is 11. This is 4. So this would be how?
7.
7, right? So this is 7. So this is how?
7.
7. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So this is how you get 10. Clear, Amar? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now, yeah, guys know this thing already. So now let's skip this part. Oh, this question, yeah, the favorite one. Okay, yeah, this one is what are the things that we know? EK is 9, right? We know EK. Where is EK? EK is 9, right? So then you have to find out, yeah, then you have to find out perimeter of EDF triangle. Good, yeah, this type of question we have done. So you are given EK is 9, right? EK is what? EK is 9. So this is given. EK is 9 centimeter. Then you have to find out perimeter of triangle. Please do this thing. Please calculate this, right? And tell me what would be the answer. Yes, what would be the answer of this question? You should assume this one. If we zoom this one, then it would be clear. Yeah, now you guys tell. So what is the perimeter of EDF? Yeah, what are you guys getting? Okay, so Amira, what you do is when is your exam, maths exam, Amira? Yes, Amira.
Sir,
Yes,
22.
22. Now, yeah, when this question is over, then I'll tell you about it. But don't rely on those important questions, right? After this question, yes, guys, what is the perimeter of EDF? Yeah, let me tell you one hint. Perimeter of EDF is ED plus DF plus EF. So that is not, that is the obvious thing, right? But this is the hint, guys. Now, did you guys get the answer? Then let me again give you second hint. So ED, DF is DH plus HF plus E. Right. So this is the second hint. Now, did you guys get the answer? Hmm.
There is the parameter 18.
18. So Shaima has got that. Okay, so Shaima is getting 18 centimeter. What about you guys? Okay, so the preliminary information that we have. What are those information? DH is DK, HF is FM, EK is EM. These are the preliminary information. So ED plus DH I can write DK. HF I can write FM. So ED plus DK is EK. FM plus EF that is EM. And EM is EK. So 9 plus 9, 18. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, so I will stop it here. And Amar, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Good. So we'll stop at here. And yeah, then in tomorrow's class, we'll continue from right. You guys, I guess you guys are having those exams. Then you guys will not. Yeah, so we'll talk about. Okay, so is it? Did you guys note it down? Amira and Amar, did you guys note it down? Whenever you guys have noted, Amar.
Done, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we'll stop it here and I will give some important questions to Amira, right? But Amira, you don't have to rely on it, right? Okay, so this example one has